Hello viewers, I am Maithili. Today we are going to see 12 CBSE Maths Matrix exercise 3.3 question number 10. In that third subdivision we are going to see in this video. Let's see the question. Express the following matrices as the sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. So we need to prove that the given matrix is equal to the sum of the symmetric and the skew symmetric matrix. Adding these two matrices we need to get the given matrix. So I am going to take let A equal to. So if A equal to the given matrix, we need to prove A is equal to P and Q, where here P is a symmetric and Q is a skew symmetric matrix. Your formula for P is equal to half into A plus A transpose, and for Q is half into A minus A transpose. So this is the formula for the symmetric and the skew symmetric matrix. I will also show you that this is a symmetric and this is a skew symmetric matrix. Before that, in both the cases there is a transpose. So first let us find A transpose, only then we can easily substitute in this formula to find P and Q. Here A transpose is equal to, you know that it is changing the row to a column. So here first let me change the first row as a column. The same way here minus 2, 1, here minus 4, minus 5, 2. So we have found A transpose. So for P it is just adding the A and A transpose half into. So adding this 2 I get 6. Here it is 1. Here it is minus 5. Here it becomes 1. Minus 2 becomes minus 4. 1 minus 5 becomes minus 4. Minus 4 minus 1 become minus 5. Then here it becomes minus 4. 2 plus 2 becomes 4. By taking half inside it becomes 3 1 by 2 minus 5 by 2. Here it becomes 1 by 2. Here minus 2 minus 2. Here minus 5 by 2 minus 2 minus 2. So we have found the value of P. Let me check whether it's a symmetric matrix. For that I am going to find P transpose. So P transpose here is changing row to column of P. Here 3 half minus 5 by 2. Here again the second row to a column, half minus 2 minus 2. Here third row minus 5 by 2 minus 2 minus 2. If you check the P and the P transpose, both are equal. That means we have formed a symmetric. This is a symmetric matrix. The same way let me find the skew symmetric matrix. For that Q into half into same way 8 and 8 transpose I need to subtract. Here it becomes 0. Here it becomes 1 minus 3 minus 3 0. 3 plus 2 becomes 5. Minus 1 plus 4 becomes 3. Here minus 2 minus 3 becomes minus 5. Here it becomes 0. 1 plus 5 becomes 6. Now minus 4 plus 1 becomes minus 3. Minus 5 minus 1 become minus 6. 2 minus 2 becomes 0. Here dividing with 2 we get, multiplying this half inside we get 0, 5 by 2, 3 by 2, minus 5 by 2, here 0, here 3, here minus 3 by 2, here minus 3, here 0. So we have found Q. We need to find Q transpose. For showing I am just solving Q transpose. Now taking row to a column, here it becomes 0, 5 by 2, 3 by 2. Now second row as a second column, so minus 5 by 2, 0, 3. Third row as a third column, so 3 minus 3 by 2, minus 3, 0. If you check the Q and Q transpose, there is a change in the sign. That means Q is equal to negative, Q transpose is equal to negative of Q. So this is the, if there is a change in the sign alone, it is called a skew symmetric matrix. Q and Q transpose are in skew symmetric matrix. So We got symmetric matrix, we got skew symmetric matrix. Let us add to find a So let me find P plus Q. Here this is P and this is Q. So let me add this 2. It becomes 3 plus 0 is 3. Half plus thing is 6 by 2. It becomes 3. Here minus 5 by 2 plus 3 by 2 is minus 2 by 2. 2 by 2 it becomes minus 1. Here in the second case, half minus 5. The denominator is same, so leave the denominator, add the numerator. It becomes minus 4. Minus 4 by 2 is minus 2. Now here minus 2. Here minus 2 plus 3 is 1. Here minus 5. So here it becomes minus 8 in the numerator. Divided by 2 it becomes minus 4. Now in this here it becomes minus 5. Minus 2 plus 0 becomes 2. So here it's plus 2. Plus 2 becomes 2 plus 0 will become 2. This is the final answer. We got the same question, that is nothing but A. So P plus Q is equal to A is your final answer. That's all with the sum. Thank you.